A for apple, apple means सेब. B for ball, ball means गेंद. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dog, dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fish, fish means मछली. G for grapes, grapes means अंगूर. H for horse, horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream, ice cream means मलाई बर्फ. J for jug, jug means जग. K for kite, kite means पतंग. L for line, line means शेर. M for mango, mango means आम. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for ox, ox means बैल. P for parrot, parrot means तोता. Q for queen, queen means रानी. R for right, right means चूहा. S for sheep, sheep means जहाज. T for tiger, tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for van, van means गाड़ी. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra.